Number 4 is Skyview-B2-GPS-Security Camera. The Skyview-B2-GPS-Security Camera is an immaculate choice for safeguarding your car in 2024. It is packed with an array of powerful features, and it offers comprehensive security and peace of mind. This dash cam precisely captures every detail and boasts 1080p Full HD resolution at a smooth 60 fps. Its exceptional night vision, powered by a Sony Exmor image sensor and 6 high-quality glass lenses, ensures clear and vibrant recordings even in low-light conditions. With its wide-angle lens, this camera offers an expansive 140-degree view, eliminating blind spots and ensuring thorough monitoring of adjacent lanes. With the integration of GPS, it accurately records your location, speed, and direction, providing an additional layer of security and accountability. It seamlessly connects to the SKYVIEW app through the built-in Wi-Fi feature, allowing convenient access and effortless management of recordings from your iOS or Android devices. Furthermore, this advanced camera not only captures footage of the front, but also the interior of your vehicle. Its sturdy construction allows it to withstand temperatures as low as -20 degrees Celsius or -70 degrees Fahrenheit, making it suitable for diverse climates. The parking mode provides continuous surveillance, ensuring round-the-clock protection for your vehicle. To get this GPS car camera right now, click on the link in the description box below.